Are you tired of sifting through countless weight loss diets that promise results but leave you feeling frustrated and confused? Well, get ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier you, because today we're unveiling the ultimate solution, an expert-approved weight loss diet plan designed specifically for females. Welcome back to Living the Life, where we strive to bring you the latest insights and strategies to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of weight loss, but with a twist. We're not just offering another generic diet plan. Instead, we're presenting you with a meticulously crafted regimen backed by experts in the field. Whether you're looking to shed those stubborn pounds, boost your energy levels, or simply improve your overall well-being, this diet plan is tailor-made for you. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secrets to successful weight loss, designed with the unique needs of females in mind. Let's jump right in. 1. Understanding the basics of weight loss. Now, before we delve into the specifics of our expert-approved weight loss diet plan, let's first lay down the foundation by understanding the basics of weight loss. At its core, weight loss boils down to a simple equation: calories in versus calories out. This means that to lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than your body expends. This creates what's known as a calorie deficit, where your body taps into its stored fat reserves for energy. Creating a calorie deficit is crucial for weight loss, as it signals your body to start burning fat for fuel. However, it's essential to approach this deficit in a balanced and sustainable manner. Crash diets and extreme calorie restrictions may yield quick results, but they're often unsustainable and can lead to metabolic slowdown, nutrient deficiencies, and even rebound weight gain. That's why our expert-approved weight loss diet plan focuses on a balanced approach, ensuring you get all the essential nutrients your body needs while still maintaining a calorie deficit. By prioritizing sustainability and long-term success, we're setting you up for not just weight loss, but also improved overall health and well-being. So, let's dive into the specifics of our diet plan and learn how you can achieve your weight loss goals the healthy way. 2. Nutritional guidelines for female weight loss. Now that we've established the basics of weight loss, let's focus on the nutritional guidelines specifically tailored for females looking to shed those extra pounds. When it comes to crafting a successful weight loss diet plan, it's crucial to pay attention to the key nutrients your body needs. Protein, carbohydrates, and fats play vital roles in supporting your overall health and facilitating weight loss. Protein is essential for preserving lean muscle mass, which is crucial for a healthy metabolism and ensuring that you're burning fat efficiently. Incorporating lean sources of protein such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes into your meals can help you feel full and satisfied while supporting your weight loss goals. Carbohydrates provide your body with the energy it needs to fuel your daily activities and workouts. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which are rich in fiber and nutrients and can help keep you feeling full for longer periods. Fats are another important component of a balanced diet, as they help regulate hormone production and support brain function. Focus on incorporating healthy fats from sources such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals in moderation. In addition to paying attention to the types of foods you're eating, portion control and meal planning are also key factors in weight loss success. By being mindful of your portion sizes and planning your meals ahead of time, you can avoid overeating and make healthier choices throughout the day. So, as you embark on your weight loss journey, remember to prioritize nutrient-rich foods, control your portions, and plan your meals wisely. With the right nutritional guidelines in place, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals and embracing a healthier, happier lifestyle. 3. Sample meal plan for female weight loss. Now that we've covered the nutritional guidelines, let's put it all into action with this sample meal plan designed specifically for female weight loss. Breakfast. Start your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. Consider a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola for a protein-rich and satisfying meal. Mid-morning snack. Keep your energy levels up with a mid-morning snack. Opt for a small handful of almonds paired with an apple or carrot sticks and hummus for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Lunch. For lunch, aim for a balanced meal that includes lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. A grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette is a delicious and filling option. Afternoon snack. Combat the afternoon slump with a nutritious snack. Consider enjoying a rice cake topped with almond butter and banana slices, or a small serving of Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Dinner. Wrap up your day with a satisfying and wholesome dinner. Try oven-baked salmon served with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli for a meal that's rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. Evening snack, optional. If you're still feeling hungry before bed, opt for a light and nutritious snack to tide you over. A small bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a piece of whole grain toast with avocado can satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your weight loss efforts. Remember, the key to a successful weight loss journey is variety and balance. Incorporate a wide range of nutrient-rich foods into your meals, and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and flavors. By prioritizing whole foods and mindful eating, you can achieve your weight loss goals while still enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. 4. Tips for success and sustainability. As you embark on your weight loss journey, it's essential to arm yourself with strategies for success and sustainability. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated, overcome challenges, and achieve your goals. 1. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable and measurable goals that align with your lifestyle and preferences. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. 2. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to success. Stick to your meal plan, exercise routine, and healthy habits even on challenging days. 3. Find support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a community who can encourage and motivate you throughout your journey. 4. Prioritize exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine, as it plays a crucial role in boosting metabolism, burning calories, and improving overall health. 5. Mix it up. Keep your workouts interesting by trying different types of exercises, such as cardio, strength training, yoga, or dancing. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues, and eat mindfully. Avoid emotional eating and focus on nourishing your body with wholesome foods. 7. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. 8. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification processes. 9. Plan for setbacks. Understand that setbacks are a normal part of the journey. Learn from them, adjust your approach if needed, and keep moving forward. 10. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that change takes time. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate your successes along the way. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended female weight loss products. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can increase your chances of success and make your weight loss journey not only effective, but also enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Remember, you have the power to transform your health and well-being, one step at a time. Keep pushing forward, and you'll soon reap the rewards of your hard work and dedication. With that said, it's time to take action and start implementing the expert-approved weight loss diet plan tailored specifically for females. Remember, your journey towards a healthier you begins with small, consistent steps towards positive change. Thank you for tuning in and joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more valuable health and wellness content. Together, we can achieve our goals and lead happier, healthier lives. Until next time, take care, stay motivated, and keep striving for progress. Thanks for watching.